Hi. Sorry for the long wait, but a lot of things have happened in the past 2 months. So I did not really have the time nor the content to share any further steps about my 964 with you. As you might imagine, and as I hear myself say repetitively, things have surprisingly not went to plan. I can still hear me say that the engine was not in that bad of a shape, but again, to my own surprise, I was wrong. I am guessing that you are able to pick up the sarcasm in my voice, because even if I try to stay positive about this project, it always keeps firing back at me. To sum it up for you guys, the engine was in a catastrophic state. I need a new camshaft, new valve covers, and a lot of other small bits and pieces like vacuum hoses, 6 new induction funnels, oil lines, but the worst discovery were blue paper towels all around the cylinders. 3 instead of just 1 sheared engine stud, and completely worn crankshaft bearings. The engine builder told me that if I were to drive this car for just a little longer, I would have had a total engine failure. Wow. Anyways, even though I was supposed to get the car back by the end of May or the beginning of June, I still haven't got it back. Today it is June the 30th, the engine is still not completed, and the car sits at his place since the 25th of May, even though I was supposed to get it back by the end of May or the beginning of June. In the meantime, the plan is to get the engine in mid-July. For me, those are really tough news, because this almost marks the end of summer, and with that, the end of the season. I hope I will still be able to drive the car this year, but my hopes slowly start to fade away. But I cannot end this video on a bad note, because it is not all bad news. On my last visit 1 week ago, I was able to spot some good progress on my engine, and I could finally admire how a true petrolhead and experienced engine builder puts his hands on my engine. He definitely goes slowly but steadily, but I prefer a well-built engine over one that has been rushed through. Okay, I am really trying hard to find the most amount of positive stuff, but please bear with me. All of the parts are now ready to be installed, and during my visit he installed piston and cylinder number 4 and 5 and had finished all 6 of them, including the 6 cylinder heads, by the end of the day. So the end is definitely in sight. I just have to be patient for that little longer. A lot of you guys told me that it would be worth the wait, and that all of the struggle and painful stepbacks would pay off in the end. I thank you all for giving me hope. I cannot wait to drive this car and finally feel that 6-cylinder boxer engine under my butt. Thanks for sticking around. Stay tuned, leave a comment, a like, and subscribe if you haven't already. Thanks. Bye.